Today, I'll walk you through Albato's new testing steps tool, designed to let you test each step individually and preview real data samples. Every step, whether a trigger or an action, now comes with a test button. When you click it, Albato sends a request, retrieves live data samples, and lets you pick one to see how it flows into the next step. Let's take a look at how this works across different types of automations. With Webhook triggers for real-time events, you will need to perform the event manually. For example, sending a Slack message, submitting a form, or creating a deal in your CRM. In this case, the system captures just one data item. With API triggers, Albato pulls data from the last 24 hours and returns up to 5 samples. If no events are found, the system automatically extends the search period. If it's still empty, you will see a message letting you know that testing isn't possible at the moment. For actions, select a sample from early steps in the automation to fill in the fields. You'll then see either the result or an error message returned by the service. Keep in mind that test runs are not counted as transactions and won't appear in the history. You can still run a test on the entire automation as before. Albato saves only the last selected sample, which will be used later for field mapping. You can switch samples at any time. When testing the first step, trigger, filters are not applied. To validate filters, run a full automation test. The Testing Steps tool makes setup faster and easier, while giving you confidence that everything works as expected. Start using today to streamline your automation setup and testing process.